I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping system-level zoom so the app can't magnify when you tap. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow accessibility, right arrow zoom, and switch it off. On Android, go to Settings, right arrow accessibility, right arrow magnification, and disable gestures. Once done, make sure Instagram is fully closed and reopened so the change takes effect. This prevents accidental pinch or triple tap magnification, and it's the quickest fix that avoids. Next, if you want to view a profile picture without the app zoom interface, open Instagram in a browser. Navigate to the profile, right-click or long-press the profile image, and choose Open Image in New Tab or Inspect Element to find the direct image URL. Once you open the image file directly in its own tab, the browser displays a static image without the app's pinch-to-zoom overlay. This gives you a stable view and a saved copy if you need it. Finally, test the behavior. Reopen Instagram, tap the profile picture gently, and confirm it no longer triggers system magnification. If you still experience zooming, update Instagram and clear the app cache or reboot the device. Make sure third-party accessibility or gesture apps aren't re-enabling zoom. If problems persist, re-enable only the accessibility features you need and leave magnification off. This balances usability and prevents accidental profile picture zooming while keeping other assistive options intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.